Hey guys, you are welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I will be showing you a wonderful and a great tool that I came across 2 weeks ago. And how impressed I am with the ease of use in designing my graphics. I recommend that you watch this video till the end and see how easy it is to use this tool. Before we get started, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And you can also sign up for a free trial with the link below in the description section to get your free $20 sign-up bonus. I'm going to show you a quick demo of ClickDesigns. It's a new and easy way of creating graphics. You can create logos, buckshots, markups, bundles, and so much more. I'll show you some real examples of how we use this in our business. So the reason why we clearly ClickDesigns is to help non-designers like myself with part design or just terrible to get. Extraordinary designs that look professional but are created in a fraction of the time. So what usually takes days or weeks now takes minutes. And you can do this yourself without freelancers, designers, and webmasters. So not only will you save time, you'll also save hundreds and thousands of dollars. In graphics, here's how it works. So inside the dashboard is pretty simple to navigate around. You can have your latest designs. Under My Designs you also have the latest template graphics, logos, box shots, covers appearing every single time you log in. Now we go to the view all. Here we are in the templates menu. There's also a sub menu. Every type of graphic, there are thousands of templates to choose from. So when you click on box shots, you'll see all the workshop template designs you can preview. And if you want to use the template, just click use template. Alternatively, you can search by keyword. Type in the keyword, hit search, and it brings up all the designs for that keyword. So let me show you how we use this for our business. This is one of our websites between Elementor. As you can see in Elementor, this design here was actually created in ClickDesign, which I'll show you right now. File, preview, it's the exact same design. Now I'll show you a live preview. We could use another mentor, which is WordPress. I'm going to click on to edit Elementor. It should take me to the post. So this is me doing live edits right now. Here's the design. If I click on the design, you can choose image. You can see it directly inside Elementor that we actually used. Come out of it. Just take me back to the home page. There was literally no messing about. We just went straight in, made the edit, added the image, and it was live. Next we use it for our cell phones. We're using ClickFunnels, and it's exactly the same process. Here's the actual cell page of ClickDesigns, same images right here. And now, because we're using ClickFunnels, I'm just going to click files, and you can see it is actually live on ClickFunnels. So here we are, ClickFunnels here, and if I save and exit, it just saves it, and again it's exactly the same process like we just did with Elementor. There's no message about, you just add the image and it's done. We also use ClickDesigns for our bonus pages. So this is one of the bonus pages we made inside ClickFunnels called Sketch Genius. This is basically a 3D sketch animated videos. Now as I scroll down, you will notice a few things, which is all the design. The graphics are taken from ClickDesigns. So let me show you where that is and how we get that. So if I'm going to box shots, the covers up, you actually use Sales Maximizer, Sales Maximizer, and you can see the same box actually used here. Traffic roadmap, traffic to roadmap, and it's available inside ClickDesign. So all you've got to do is just click use template, and you can edit and then simply make your own. So this process usually takes us about did take us about 3 to 6 hours, depending on the type of offer it is. But now this entire page literally takes like 20 to 30 minutes, and as you can really see, the box shots were made inside ClickDesigns. We used ClickFunnels for the bonus page for Sketch Genius. I'm going to go to the live page of Sketch Genius, which is right here, exactly the same page, and you can see here are the workshops that we simply added. Pretty much straightforward. But again, I'm inside ClickFunnels, the bookshop, and it's live in the editor, so you know it's real. We've also created our designs for our free report. This was actually made in Scientific Design as Well, let me show you where this design is in ClickDesigns. So if I bought into covers, and that particular design is right here. I'm coming back to the report. If I scroll down right at the bottom, this is the flat cover that we actually downloaded, which you can do directly inside the report. And then at the bottom, right down here, you'll notice that there is the exact cover that we use right here. So let me show you some of the other graphics that we actually use inside this report. Pay particular attention to this one here. So if I use this template to show you, first, I'll go inside, so you can see exactly the detail that you actually get with all the templates available in ClickDesigns. Once I'm here, every little thing is editable. Once this is complete, we want to save that. We put it straight here, as you can see here, and then we took the exact same design and we did it in a different way. Let me show you the edits we made to that from the exact same design. We created this, which literally took minutes, this design here, and you'll notice we use the same design over here. Everything else in this report is from ClickDesigns as well. Let me show you this exact same design that we've also used on our JV invite page. We made it really simple, so all you need to do is click make your edit and you can use the graphics instantly without messing about. This will save you hundreds of hours and even thousands of dollars. And to prove this works, every graphic you see for the launch of ClickDesigns is made with ClickDesigns, so it's really good. I'm super excited to have you on board, because together with your help we are going to change the way everyone makes graphics forever. Sign up and thanks for watching. Use coupon code CD200OFF for $20 off.